What's going on, guys? It's been a super long time since I put out a video, but I'm Jesse again with JVEC Productions. Today we're doing a different type of video. I haven't done anything like this before. We're used to tech reviews or just, normal edits. I paid $700 for Amazon returns. All I know is the category, so I know they're electronics, keeping with the theme of the channel, and I know the retail value. So I won the bid of $700. The retail value of all this stuff is $39.99, so $4,000. A lot of the other videos don't tell you, so they're like, yeah, I won the bid for $500, $200, whatever. And you think that's all they pay, and that could be if they go pick it up, if they're local. This came from Indiana for me though, so I'm definitely not local to that. So I won $700 was the bid. There's a 10% premium. This is on liquidation.com. There's a 10% buyer's premium, so that's another $70. Plus the shipping was like $340, because it was a 300-pound pallet. There's a lot of stuff, and I'll show you all this stuff here. But it was a 300-pound pallet, so I had to pay $340 just for shipping. So I paid a little over $1,100 for stuff that I didn't know what it was. I got two really low quality photos. I can show you that on the screen right now too. And that's really all I got. But yeah, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna tell you what the estimated resale value is up here, and then at the end we'll just show you this is how much I'm potentially gonna make versus exactly what I paid for it. So you can see if it's profitable at all to do this, because if this works out, I'm going to keep doing these videos. But I went real big with the first one. Paid $1,100 for something I've never done before. I have no idea what type of stuff I'm going to get, so it's definitely a risk, but it's going to be fun. So let's jump in and check out what we got. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So over here is a bunch of monitors, I know that. So now having the pallet, some of them are, or actually most of the stuff is in its original box. So I know I have 5 monitors right here, computer monitors. Most of them are gaming. One of them is a Samsung 27-inch curved. So there's 3 Samsung, no, 2 Samsung and 3 Dell monitors. So I'll probably open those last, just because those could be big ticket ones. So I'm gonna open up all the smaller stuff, see what we got, and go from there. I'll start right here. So this is, you see that? Yeah. Looks like a Yamaha speaker, a Music Cast 20. So let's see. The speaker looks literally brand new. Yeah, this looks like it's in perfect condition. It's got the touchscreen at the top. It was definitely opened, might have been tested out. But yeah, this is, it looks like perfect condition. The Music Cast 20 by Yamaha. This is the Heo, it looks like Heos, H-E-O-S, Heos, by Denon. 2 companies that I've never heard of before. Play any song in any room. So yeah, it's a wireless multi-room sound system. Now with Bluetooth. I mean, it looks brand new. So yeah, this one's a weird one. This one is a I mean, it says trumpet on the box. I don't know if it's actually a trumpet, because this is supposed to be an electronics palette. Guys, this is actually a trumpet. There's white gloves for it. That's funny. This looks brand new. It's a blue trumpet. Oh wow. That's funny. So this is from Pyle. This is, it looks like a 6.5-inch double din touchscreen. It's like a head unit for a car. Backup camera's in there. It actually looks brand new. So this is the backup camera. Mounts, looks like on your license plate. Got all the wiring still in here. So this is another Rockville box. Okay. This so the top of the box, all I see is this right now. But it says 7-inch headrest entertainment system. It looks like the black one is checked off, so it's the black color. Yeah, this is some Pimp My Ride stuff. We literally have a screen for a headrest. That's funny. If this doesn't sell, maybe the kids will get a screen in the headrest in the car. That's hilarious. There's 2 of them. They're brand new. They still have the wrap on them. It's literally a headrest for your car with screens on the back. That's so funny. There's 2 of them. Oh, it looks like all the paperwork is still there. Alright, next up. Not necessarily a good sign, but I hear stuff moving around all in there. This is the Audio-Technica AT-LP60. So it's like a turntable, right? Fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable. It's probably not great that I hear all types of stuff moving around inside, but let's see what we got. So the turntable itself is like taken off, like this metal piece, I guess it's the belt driven part. Nothing looks broken, but it's like kind of taken apart, which is weird. It's like one of the feet was taken off. So this could be damaged. It's like slightly apart. I don't know. It looks in good condition. Like it looks fine. It's just this is taken off. Yeah, so the Tascam 200 BT, I mean CD 200 BT. I keep opening everything upside down. This will be brand new. So this, people will use this. I mean, you can use this for whatever. This can be like a home stereo system. People use these type of things in studios. Got a remote inside. More Audio-Technica. Yeah. I won't even take this out. This is the same thing. Another Audio-Technica turntable. So this, from the outside of the box, is a Yamaha YAS 108 soundbar. We're doing good so far. This looks literally brand new. Yeah, remote's still packaged up in the corner. All the wires are still packaged up. The soundbar literally hasn't even been removed from the box. This I'm not even gonna open just because it's such a mess of packaging. Like the wrap is real bad. But this is just speaker stands. It's also not as big of an item, that's why I won't open it. I'm sure they're in good condition because it's like heavy duty speaker stands, but these I'll probably maybe get $20 to $25 each. I'll try to sell these locally because they're so big and heavy. But I mean, whatever, an extra $50. There's two stands. This is from Rockville. It's by Pyle, but it's like acoustic sound isolation foam. It looks like it's maybe 2 pads. Oh, just kidding, it's literally 1. It's like, it looks like a platform, like studio foam. So that's cool, but not something we need to open up. This is 2 marine wakeboard water resistant speakers. So speakers for your wakeboard. Alright, it's got remote control. These are huge. These are definitely never used. These are giant speakers. 260 watt, 4 ohms, 8-inch tower speakers. Alright, we got our first broken item, technically. So this one, the top, I don't know if it was dropped or what, but the casing for the lid is completely smashed. Another stereo. This is so heavy. This looks brand new. It's the Gemini XGA 5000. Looks like it's a 2-channel. Oh, it's an amplifier. Professional power amplifier. This thing is probably 50 pounds. Okay, another Rockville box. That's more inside the show. This is more like boat speakers. Yeah, wakeboard tower speakers. They're the RWB80. I do hear something rattling on the inside. Yeah. Alright guys, it's time. Let's check out the monitors. So this one is the Samsung UE590. It looks like it is, so it's ultra high def, it's 4K. It looks brand new. It's upside down for you, but looks brand new. Base has never even been put on it. There's some styrofoam on the front of it, but it's not cracked or anything, from what I can tell. Alright, so this one's also Samsung. It's the Essential Curved Monitor, 27 inches. This is the CF398. It looks brand new. It really does. I'm saying that about I feel like I'm being super repetitive saying it looks brand new for everything, but alright, next we got a Dell. This is the D2719 HGF. That didn't sound good. Doesn't sound like it's wrapped too well in there. Yeah, this one doesn't have all of its, I won't be surprised if this is broken because this one doesn't have its packaging, like the styrofoam to keep it in place. So even if this wasn't broken, it probably got broken in transit. actually looks good. No, this looks perfect. I think on this one there's a tiny crack in the corner. I don't even know if you can see it. No, you probably can't see it. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. This one also looks perfect, but I mean, that white speck is just a styrofoam. Could be a different story once I turn it on. So this is the last one. This is a big Dell monitor. This one's the biggest box. This is the Dell Ultra Sharp 27-inch 4K monitor. It's the U2718Q. The box is definitely repackaged and taped up, so. Definitely looks used. There's like scratch marks and stuff on it. Here again, looks perfectly fine. So yeah, it was fun. This is really cool. I'll probably be doing this again. I'll definitely be doing this again. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoy the content, check out jvrecproductions.com or just click into my YouTube and watch some more videos. I have a bunch of tech reviews. I'll be coming out with more tech reviews in the future. And we're getting some new equipment soon just to make these videos a little bit better, because I want to keep doing these. They're fun, they're exciting. It's like random, you have no idea what you're getting, which is kind of cool. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll be back for more. Please subscribe so you know when I put out more videos. If you click the bell, you'll get notified. If you have the YouTube app, it'll pop up right in your phone when we put out a new video. It'd be cool if you did that so you know exactly when they come out and you can watch them. Thank you guys so much. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked about the video, what you want me to change. Maybe it was too long, maybe it was too short. Maybe you want me to go a little bit more in depth with the products. I wanted to keep it somewhat quick, but still be able to give you all the information, show you everything we got, as well as what the resale estimates are.